Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage Blazon Hex-O-Lite aluminum block Petrol table lighter. Really interesting and in a couple of aspects different lighter than what you might expect. Kind of looks like a trophy or something. Obviously it is in the shape of a hexagon, therefore the Hex-O-Lite name. The brand name that is marked on the bottom, you can see it is marked Blazon, made in Detroit, patent pending. Now, whether or not that is the way that brand name, B-L-A-Z-O-N, is actually pronounced, is anybody's guess. But you guys can imagine why I have decided that, at least when I refer to this lighter, we're just going to call that brand Blazon. Sounds perfect to me. It's a really cool lighter that does show scratches, scuffs, nicks, maybe some dings, definitely some damage to the finish, scratches, that kind of thing. But overall, a very heavy lighter that would hold some paper down if the wind was blowing. And while it is constructed out of aluminum, the snuffer and the body, the actual insert for the lighter, according to the Toledo Bend website, the BCL page there at ToledoBend.com, this is a brass insert. I can't tell whether it's brass or not. If it is well plated. I don't see any brass color anywhere. Just a simple little lighter insert, similar to the Frank Whiting lighters, lipstick lighters, and probably a few others. It really does, to me, give the look of being a trophy of some kind. Sort of like the Stanley Cup maybe, or I don't know if it's the stepped elements of the snuffer here that are making me think that. But anyway, around it, it's a very interesting lighter and a pretty standard design that seems to work pretty well. That lighter insert does have the original wick, which I just pulled up a little bit, and the original wadding as well. There was no obstruction in the little short flint tube. Just installed a new flint, fueled it up, and on we went. It's a far cry from the little hexagonal lighter that we had just here a few weeks ago that is, or I think was, made to be cut into the shape of a nut. This lighter is in the same shape, but obviously nobody's going to mistake this big piece of aluminum for a nut. It's almost as big as my hand. I'm sure I've seen nuts bigger than that, but not all that common. Of course, nuts as big as that smaller lighter that was engraved Germany 1945. You don't really see that many nuts that big in everyday life, more in some industrial applications or construction, depending on what kind of work it is that you do. So while it may be an elementary design, just with the wick and the file roller, little snuffer that sits down on top, nothing to keep it on, it just falls off if you turn it upside down. I don't remember ever seeing this name before until I looked it up today and saw that Blazon brand on the Toledo Bend website, and it was also the Toledo Bend website where I found the name Hex-O-Lite. That name is not marked anywhere on the lighter, nor have I seen that anywhere else. When I did a search for it, none of the other common lighter websites came up, so I don't know how common or scarce this lighter might be. There was at least one on eBay that had sold, and I think a few others that were currently for sale. But the heft of it, obviously the lighter itself does not hold a lot of fuel. That's all the wadding you got. But the heft of the body of the lighter would most likely preclude you from carrying this in your pocket for any amount of time or on a regular basis, unless you needed to be carrying something around that you might want to throw at somebody in order to hurt them or something. It is a very heavy and has very many sharp edges, not like sharpened sharp, but I guarantee you if somebody were to throw that up against the side of your head, it would hurt. Just an observation, not what I'm planning on doing with it or anything like that. But an attractive table petrol lighter that may give you the idea of it being some sort of trophy. May look familiar, kind of also looks maybe like a perfume bottle, only it's all metal, so that's not very likely. It's not unattractive, but it's definitely a little bit different from what you are used to seeing. And you don't see all that many aluminum block Petrol table lighters. You do see them, but not near as common as the pocket varieties. This is one that somebody could take home, put on their desk, put on their coffee table. When it comes to strike up your cigarette, your joint, your cigar, whatever it is that you smoke, this lighter would be there ready for you to go. Just going to require that you keep it fueled on a regular basis because it doesn't hold a lot of fuel, and with this little slip-in design, my guess is that it is going to evaporate rather quickly as well. Not a bad lighter to look at though, and one that you should be able to depend on. Until next time.